Okay, we're going to look at the range hood and look at the build up on the range hood. Can you see how thick the fat is? Not just the thickness of the fat all over, but there's certain dots that have been, let's say, food that has been stuck there and then baked with oil on top. So we've sprayed the range hood using shine degreaser. We've allowed it to sit for a couple of minutes. Now we're agitating all of this fat using a wet magic eraser. And as you can see, it's coming off. Now, when you see me cleaning it in a specific area more than one time, that's only because there's a build-up of fat stuck there on the surface. So you can either use a little bit of paste or a bit of magic eraser, whatever works faster. Now we're removing the product from the surface. So all of the shine degreaser, all of the fat, all of the food is now being removed using our wet microfiber cloth. Now, once that has all been removed, then we simply wipe the range hood dry using our glass cloth. Again, don't clean over the same area or don't wipe over the same area more than once. Now you can see all fat and oil residue has now been removed.